I have made this much money from Pinterest and Google searches without a website, without showing my face, without any follower or without paying for ads. It's not Shopify, not a print on demand. It is literally copying what's already trending on Pinterest, letting AI create your Pinterest pin and blog post, and pasting the few affiliate links in the right place. And the best part, you can do this even if you are completely beginner, you hate showing your face, you have zero tech skill, and you don't want to write a blog article by yourself. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step through the exact Pinterest affiliate system that helped me to make this much money within 1 month, just few hours working a day. Hey guys, Rana here, and if you are tired of posting random content that gets 0 views, sign up for affiliate program but never getting clicks, thinking you need a blog or need a follower before you can make money, then watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you a simple Pinterest plus AI system that work without website, work without showing your face, uses free tools, and it's perfect for beginners. But I want to be 100% honest with you. If you just watch the video and do nothing, nothing will change. No money will magically appear. So pause the video when I say pause and then do each step with me and then continue. Let me quickly show you the 5 steps, then we'll dive deep. Find what's already trending on Pinterest so you are not guessing what to post. Find high-paying affiliate offers that can pay $30 to $100 per sale. Use ChatGPT and Nano Pro for free to create viral Pinterest pins. Use Google Gemini 3 Pro to write SEO-friendly blog posts for you. Post on Medium plus Pinterest so you can get traffic from both Google and Pinterest. I'll also share a pro tip with email marketing that can multiply your earning over time. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Step number 1. Stop guessing. Find what's already trending on Pinterest. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is they post random stuff on Pinterest. Pinterest is a search engine. If you create content around what people are already searching for, you get way more clicks and views. Here's what you're going to do. Open Google and type Pinterest trends. Click on the first result. That's the official Pinterest trend tool. Make sure you have Pinterest business account. If you don't, create a free account. To do it, click on the sign up at the top right corner, type your email, password, and your birth date, and then click on the create account button. On the next page, you have to describe your business. I'll select content creator and then click next. In the next page, type your business or brand name, select your country, and if you have a website, enter the website URL, or if you don't have a website, then simply check this box, I don't have a website, and then click next. Now select your business goal and select one of the options from the list. What is the focus of your business? And finally, click done. In the next page, close this by clicking here. With that, your Pinterest account is ready. Now type this URL trends.pinterest.com. Inside Pinterest trends, you can see what topics are hot right now. On the same page, you can explore shopping trends, search trends, and much more. We are interested in search trends. So click on the search icon from the left side. In here, you can discover trending search keywords by growth trends, seasonal trends, top monthly trends, and top yearly trends. Select growing trends and do not change any filter settings. However, you can target any country to see what is popular there. Now type your keyword. For example, make money online. Select one of the keywords from the list and it will show you the trend over time for this particular keyword. Below you'll see more keywords related to your topic. You can select more keywords and it will show you the comparison of search volume over time. So make sure to select the keyword that has high search volume. Your job is to find the high search volume keywords and keep it safe in a safe place like Google Doc or Notepad. So pick the main keyword to build your account around. Don't overthink it, you can always change it later. If you truly can't decide, go with side hustle, make money online. It has a lot of affiliate products that pay good commission. Another big mistake, people promoting product that pay only $1 to $3 per sale. That's why they're thinking why they are not making so much money. We want affiliate offers that pay $30 to $100 per sale or a recurring commission. One of my favorite places to find these offers is PartnerStack.com. Here's how to use it. Go to PartnerStack.com, sign up for free account. Once you're inside, click on Discover Partnership. On this page, you will see categories like e-commerce tools, marketing, finance, productivity, and more. Choose a category that matches with your Pinterest niche. For example, if your niche is make money online, side hustle, look at online business tools, marketing tools, side hustle software. If your niche is more businesses, productivity, look at SaaS tools, automation, organization tools, and similar offers. So click on any product and you will see what it does, how much it pays per sign up or per sale, whether it pays recurring commission. When you find a good offer, click on apply or sign up for that program. Fill in your details. Once approved, you'll get your affiliate link. But sometime you might not get approval right away. If that happens, don't panic. Start posting Pinterest anyway. Build some activities and views. Apply again with few weeks with more active account. Beside PartnerStack, you can also check Amazon Associate. Lower payout but easy to start. ClickBank, lots of digital product in many niches. Store24, good for digital and high ticket offers. Pro tip, email retargeting. Some networks including PartnerStack program let you see email addresses of people you refer. If you can see those emails, it means you can collect them in an email list, promote related products later, turn one click into multiple commission over time. To do that, you can use tool like OmniSend. I've already mentioned that tool in my previous video. It's an email and SMS marketing tool with a free plan. With OmniSend, you can send newsletter, automated sequence, and more. It's like a small robot doing your follow-up marketing for you. You don't need emails right away to start this method, but once you get some sales, it is a powerful way to scale. Step 3. Create viral style Pinterest pin with AI. Common problem. I'm not a designer. I don't know how to make good pins. Solution. We let AI do the most of the work. Research pin style that already working. Go to Pinterest.com. In the search bar, type your niche plus a keyword. For example, side hustle idea, make money online, small kitchen organization, easy healthy recipes, and click search. When you search for your keyword, look at the top pins, download the image that has the most likes. Use AI to create your own pins. Now go to this website, 𝗀𝗶𝘶.ai. This website lets you use the world's top AI model for completely free. Make sure you sign up on this website. Once you do that, let's create images. First, click on this drop-down menu and select Direct Chat. Select ChatGPT 5.1 High from the drop-down. This is the latest model from OpenAI. Now click on this plus icon and upload the image that you have downloaded from Pinterest and write this simple prompt and press enter. Within few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 5 text prompts. Once you have it, copy one of the prompt and let's start generating the images with Nano Banana 3 Pro. Open a new chat in a new tab. You can directly use Google Nano Banana Pro. Click on this icon which says Generate Images. Select Gemini 3 Pro Image Preview / Nano Banana Pro. Now upload the same image that we have downloaded from Pinterest and paste the prompt that we just copied and press enter. And Nano Banana Pro will give you a completely new image with different text on it. Another great way to generate the images is using the battle mode. Do the same thing here. Click on the generate image icon, upload the image, paste the same image prompt and press enter. Now this website start generating the images with random AI model. Once the result appear, you have to vote first which looks better. After you vote, you will see the name of the image generation model. You can do this for unlimited time. If you see an error message, start a new chat and it will fix that issue. As you can see, this model has generated an absolutely stunning image. This way you can generate unlimited Pinterest pin. Another big question is, do I need a blog to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest? For this method, no. We'll use medium.com as our blog and we'll use Google Gemini 3 Pro to write a blog post. So on the same website, open a new chat and select Direct Chat and then select Google Gemini 3 Pro. We could have used ChatGPT too, but Google Gemini 3 Pro is the best model to write the blog post. So paste this simple prompt. By the way, all the prompts that I use in this video you can find in the video description or maybe in the comment section. Just in here, replace your topic with something like easy side hustle for beginners, small kitchen organization ideas, simple home workout to lose weight. Once you've done that, press enter and Google Gemini will start writing the blog post for you. If somehow Google Gemini stops writing, simply ask Gemini, please complete the article or continue. When it's done, you will have 100% unique SEO-optimized article that reads like a human wrote it. Now copy the entire blog post and keep it in a safe place, like Google Docs or Notepad. You can still give it a quick edit, or you can add your own voice or change anything weird. Add your affiliate product into the article. Now decide where your affiliate products fit naturally in the post. For example, if your article is 5 side hustle for beginners, then one of the tool can be your affiliate product. And if your blog post or article is about one of the best email marketing tool for beginners, then your offer could be the email marketing tool that you can promote. You will later link some of your related sentences to your affiliate link on Medium. Step 5. Publish on Medium and connect everything with Pinterest. Medium is a huge platform where people already read long-form content. It can rank on Google and can get internal Medium traffic, and you don't need your own website. Post your article on Medium. So go to medium.com, create a free account and log in. Click on the right button at the top right. Paste your entire Gemini article into the editor. Add catchy title like 7 side hustle you can start this week, no experience needed, something like that. Add images if you want. You can reuse some from Nano Banana. Select a piece of text that mentions your recommended tool or product. Click the link icon, paste your affiliate link, make it feel like natural, not spammy. For example, one of the easiest way to start side hustle is by promoting software that businesses already need. Finally, publish your Medium post, copy the post URL and save it in a safe place. Optimize your Pinterest and Medium profile and post your first pin. So let's go back to 𝗀𝗁𝗁.ai. Use ChatGPT 5.1 High and write this simple prompt. Don't worry, you can find the prompt in the video description. Now ChatGPT will give you 3 versions of bio. Copy the one that you like. Now go back to Pinterest, go to your profile and click on edit. In your name and bio, include the keywords related to your niche. Name, run a side hustle and make money online. In bio, paste the bio that we have just copied. Do the same thing on Medium. Go to profile, click on edit profile, copy paste the same name and bio, and don't forget to click on save. And what about profile picture? We'll go back to the same chat where we use ChatGPT to generate the bio and write this simple prompt. The ChatGPT will give you 3 prompts to generate the logo for your profile. Now we'll use battle mode to generate the logo. So select the battle mode and click on the image generation icon and paste your prompt and press enter. Within few seconds, you will have the image. If you are not satisfied with the result, try generating it again. Once you find the image that you are looking for, download it and upload it on Pinterest and Medium account. And with that, you are done optimizing your Pinterest and Medium account. Now we'll create Pinterest pin. On Pinterest, go to profile, click create and then click create pin. Upload one of the image you made using Google Nano Banana or any other image generation tool. Add a title with the keyword curiosity, 3 side hustles that can pay you $50 a day. Even you are broke, add a description. Use some of your articles into. Includes your main keyword naturally. In the destination link, paste your Medium article URL, not your raw affiliate link. This way people clicks your pin, they read your helpful Medium article, you earn commission when they buy. This is the safest and more user-friendly than directly spamming your affiliate link. Common questions and honest expectations. Do I need a website? No, we are using medium.com as your blog and Pinterest as your traffic source. Do I need to show my face? No, your Pinterest can be graphics, AI images, your profile picture can be logo. How long it takes to see the results? It depends on how many pins you post, how consistent you are, how good your topic and offers are. Usually, Pinterest accounts takes few weeks to few months to really grow. Think of this as building an asset, not a get-rich-quick button. How many pins should I post? If you are serious, aim for 1 to 3 pins a day in the beginning. You can reuse the same Medium article with different pin design and article. Can my account get banned for affiliate marketing? If you don't spam, provide real value, link to your Medium article instead of raw affiliate links everywhere, you are much safer. Always read and follow Pinterest and Medium guidelines. If you want exact prompts I used in this video, tell me in the comments, send me the Pinterest prompts and I will add all the prompts in the pinned comment. If you found the video valuable, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical step-by-step tutorials. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the future strategies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.